even if you take a look here, and again, I wanted to do the research, which took 5 seconds just to show you, you can buy $1 million of identical, looks identical, fake money for less than $6. So all these times that you're liking pictures of somebody on a boat with money or in their car with money, I assume it's fake. That's my gut. I always just assume every photo I see with money or anything like that, fake. The car, rented. I don't care, because if it's real, it doesn't affect me either way. I want to learn how to trade. I don't give a fuck about the lifestyle that you're living. So here, I'm just showing you. Go online and buy this stuff yourself. Go start a spam me account, and you can do this too. If you're, a low vibration, leech of a human being, go ahead. It's that easy. So who do you trust? How do we circle this back? Remember, I told you at the beginning we were going to talk about the 4 pillars that you can use to identify them. We touched those. Well, now we're going to circle it up and talk about how you can differentiate and find the solid educators. It really comes down to 2 things. One, I think they need real student testimonials. You have to have real people consistently in video and written form talking about the service, talking about the system, talking about the educator. If you have real people, you've got a shot. The second thing is you need live trades that show a consistent process. The process is important. I don't want to see videos of just buy, sell everywhere. I want to see detailed explanations of when you get in the trade with a video saying, hey, this is why I'm doing this. This is part of my process. Boom. When it does this, I do this because that's my process. Boom. I get out here because that's how you see real trading done. And then you want to see 100 of those videos, just like I have up on my YouTube channel. Hundreds of them, live trades, step by step. Here, I'm in here. You can't see the chart of where it's going to go because it's live. And then you can see it move into profit, or you can see it move against them, and you can see the reasoning work. Now, not only that, like I said, you want to have testimonials. So if you want to see more real trading testimonials, just go to my website, austinsilver.org. You'll see tons of new traders. I don't want to say hundreds, but close to hundreds of reviews now of traders from all over the world that are actually finding real success with our system. Now, again, what did I tell you? You need real traders and you need real testimonials, real live testimonials and live trades.